So hi everyone, I'm David, and I'm gonna show you the live demonstration. I'm gonna switch now. So as you can see, we have here the undercarriage scanner and the sides and the tire scanner. Also, we have the processing unit that will do the pre-processing. And of course, we have the beautiful car that we are going to analyze now lively. And thank you for Lee and Sagi that are helping us doing this. So here is our UI. As you see, we've done a few scans today, but now I'm gonna do another live scan with you. So I'm gonna take a tape and I'm gonna tape it somewhere very randomly. If we had time, I would ask you where, but we don't have much time. Just a second. Can you hold this for me, please? Okay, so I'm gonna put one tape on the handle and another tape for the dynamic on the left door. Okay, and now we're gonna all see the vehicle goes through the system, and automatically the system will analyze and adjust for the anomalies we've just marked and other anomalies as well. Okay, are we ready? Great. So you can see the vehicle goes above the system, the undercarriage system, and the tire system as well. Great. Okay. So now we will wait for the results. So what's happening so far? The system has taken thousands of images. On live wait, we have a few interferences here. The system has taken thousands of images. It is being pre-processed right now with a 3D model and a very high quality resolution image. And then it's uploaded to the cloud where the AI engine kicks in and does the analysis. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, as you see, it's being uploaded. This is our new scan already. Amir, maybe I'll send it back to you. Can you share your screen as well?
Yes. You can see it.
Perfect. So I'm handing over to you, Amir, so you can explain what are we seeing in this new scan.
Still uploading. Okay, so basically what you can see is all the images are being pre-processed and being uploaded to a central server. Because eventually, if you have multiple locations that you can deploy the system, you see everything in one place. And we can start, once we go inside, we can see okay, so you can see, of course, all the system already give you a list of all the issues that it could find, and of course you can jump to any one of the issues that we can find. Of course, it can be scratches, dents, or anything which is not okay with the vehicle. But also, if we take a look on the undercarriage, then you can see that you get a very high resolution of everything that happens also in the undercarriage as well. And of course, the vehicle doesn't need to stop or anything. We just do it on the fly. So think about when you rent a car. You simply, when you rent it, the car is being scanned. When you return it, they scan it again, and no one needs to argue anymore about new damages or new dents.